How do you think my brain is made for?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is currently 4 o'clock in the evening and I'm about to go get ready to go to the movies with my friend. I got up earlier, I showered, I ate. I was just sitting here doing some work. I'm not gonna speak too much into it because, you know, monitoring spirits or anything. Should have did my morning routine on camera, but I didn't. So I will show me getting ready. We're going to the movies if I didn't say that. And yeah, it feels pretty warm outside. I still haven't even put my curtain up, so I think people be watching my titties when I get ready. I don't know if I ever showed everything, but my closet. Yo, look. I already got my wig dye on the closet door. It's not just that terrible, but I literally just have, these are clean clothes. They were folded and everything, but your girl be scrummaging through stuff and whatnot. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all me getting ready real quick. It's probably gonna be like a 10-minute vlog, I'm not gonna lie. Or maybe I'll extend it and show you guys my friend because I haven't seen him in a little minute. Cause life be lifing. He, you know, probably, you know, be talking to his girlfriends and whatnot. So we just don't really speak as much or see each other as much. So I'll probably show you guys my bald-headed friend. And I don't know what I should wear. It's so weird vlogging here because like, it's no furniture. So it's just echo. So this is what I was talking about. I don't have an iron, so I can't wear it. Oh wait, I could go pop it in the dryer. Yeah, I'm probably do that. I don't know. Because I think I wear this for my 21st birthday or something. I don't know. But yeah, I definitely wore that with red heels for my 21st. I'm not wearing heels or nothing like that. It's not that type of outing. Okay, actually I decided I'm going to wear this top. Okay, so I decided I am going to wear this because it's like kind of warm outside, so it's warm enough for my legs to be out, but because it's a movie theater I want my arms to be covered. That's why I kept adding long sleeves. And if anything, he better have a hoodie for my legs because I'm not bringing a jacket.
Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. Hope you do what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, but mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitches did the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. I don't know if you do what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Went gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I don't love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Went gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you do what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry. But she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over more, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitches did it to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. But it's been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going well, I want it. Get some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going well, I want it. Get some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself.
Because I have no storage. This is very demure, very comfortable. I'm proud. I was gonna leave a little unbuttoned because otherwise it's just gonna look too much like just a regular jacket. Like, you need to know it's a shirt dress jacket all in one. Time was ticking, I'm not gonna lie. And I took the curls out because it was very all over the place. I had to trim the M's because it was like fried looking. Like, I don't know. The hair quality is cool. I got this from Mega Hair Look. It dyed well. It didn't like shed or anything, but I noticed like each time it's curled all crazy, it kind of gets a little bit not knotted up, but the ends get dry and tangled. But I'm gonna do my lip look. I'm gonna fix my eyebrow because I was on my edges and I kind of wipe it off. So I'm gonna fix my eyebrow. Maybe I consider, maybe not. Put a little mascara or something on if I can find it, because I really didn't bring any of my makeup, yo. I just grabbed what I needed to grab and then left all my stuff behind. So I'm gonna get that feel when I'm completely done and when my friend is here, and then that's it because I have no storage. I gotta get the camera. Don't worry, I will very much be investing in a camera, especially because I be looking cross-eyed so good to this camera, and I don't like that because I'm looking at me, but y'all are right here. So it's like conceited, we're focused. Conceited, we're focused. I'm gonna be conceited, so I'm gonna look at me when I'm talking, y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna put my jewelry on, put my watch on, spray, and then I'll be done. Hey guys, so I almost forgot to close my vlog out. I'm currently on my way to the movies with my little brother.
How you doing?
So, you know, I'm going to the movies with my friend, and yeah, I think I showed y'all the outfit and the shoes I decided to go with. But yeah, that concludes this video, this vlog. Make sure I like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back with more videos.
Why do you think my brain is made for?